Share screen with sound on Google Meet. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to share screen with sound on Google Meet. So to share screen with sound on Google Meet, you have to follow the steps. First of all, open up a browser. On the web address bar. You can go ahead and type in the link that is meet.google.com/account. Make sure that you already have an account. And when you are on the meet.google.com, then it's going to take you to this page. First thing, go ahead and create a meeting. Let's say that. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. Now click on start and initiate meeting. When you do that, it's going to start a meeting. You'll start presenting. Here, make sure to enable all of these permissions. So click on allow, and when you do that, here you can see this is how it's going to look like. After that, when you're presenting, let's say that you're in a class and if you wish to share your screen, then you have to press on the arrow icon located right over here, which is represented by present now. Go ahead and press on it. As you do that, it's going to show you a pop-up window. So here you can go ahead and select either you wish to go ahead and share your Chrome tab, just the Chrome tab, or just the Windows or the entire screen, which means that it's going to record whatever you do on the screen. If you're sure about it, go ahead and select and click on the share button. You've started sharing, and now when you go ahead and open up a new tab and then start representing, that's going to show you that you've actually shared your screen. And if you wish to stop it, then you can see this option as stop sharing. Just go ahead and press on it, and now you've stopped sharing on Google Meet. So that's how you can share screen with sound on Google Meet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.